To enroll in Zelle with Bank of America, start by gathering the necessary information, including your Bank of America account number, routing number, and mobile phone number. Next, open the Bank of America mobile banking app on your device and sign into your account using your online banking username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Transfers tab and select Send Money with Zelle. If you do not see this option, you may need to select the More menu and then choose Send Money with Zelle. You will then be prompted to review and agree to the terms of service for Zelle. After agreeing to the terms of service, you will be asked to verify your mobile phone number. This is a security measure to ensure that you are the owner of the account. You will receive a verification code via text message, which you will need to enter into the app to complete the verification process. Once your mobile phone number is verified, you can start using Zelle to send and receive money. To send money, simply select the recipient's name or enter their mobile phone number or email address. You can then enter the amount you want to send and add a memo if desired. Review the transaction details and confirm the payment. To receive money, the sender will need to have your mobile phone number or email address enrolled with Zelle. When someone sends you money using Zelle, you will receive a notification via email or text message. The money will be deposited directly into your Bank of America account, and you can access it immediately. It is essential to note that Zelle transactions typically occur within minutes, and the service is available 24/7. Additionally, Zelle does not charge any fees to send or receive money, but your bank may charge fees for certain types of transactions. To get the most out of Zelle, make sure to only send money to people you know and trust. And always review the transaction details carefully before confirming a payment. By following these steps, you can easily enroll in Zelle with Bank of America and start using the service to send and receive money quickly and securely.